Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the CloudStream application to your Android TV without Play Store. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you've been searching for how to install the CloudStream, this video is for you. But if I want to watch it right up to the end. So as you can see on my screen, I have my App Store, but my App Store is limited. The applications in my App Store are the applications my manufacturer wants me to have. I have all the favorite applications that you need on your Android TV. And as you can see also here, I don't have the Play Store. Now I could use downloader to install this application, but I don't want to use downloader, so I'm going to use browser. So now let me be clear. In what I'm about to show you, you can use any browser. So you can use your inbuilt browser, or if you have an additional installed browser like TV Bro, you can use it. I love TV Bro because it is optimized or customized to suit an Android TV. But in other way, you could still use this one or any of your browser that you have on your Android TV. So the process is simple. Launch your browser on your Android TV. Once you launch the browser on your Android TV, you go over to your search box or your search button. Now, if you want to use TV Pro, in the description of this video, I'll attach a link on how to install TV Pro. I just love it because it works best on Android TV. So you can just go ahead and install it to your Android TV and use it. But nonetheless, you can still use a different browser or your TV browser. So once you launch it your browser, in a search box, this search box here, type in the name of the application we want to install, which is CloudStream app. So I'm just going to take a time now and type it. So here is it, CloudStream. Now the secret when you're installing or downloading an application on your browser, the secret is that once you type in the name of the application, just go ahead and add APK so that you can go ahead and download the APK of the application. So that's what we're going to do. That's what you should do on your browser. Once that's done, just go ahead and search. Now once you search, results are going to be lots. Now you can go ahead and try all the results that come on your result page. This is your Android TV, you have all the time in the world. So you can try all the results you see. So in my case here, I'm just going to go ahead and use this option here. I don't want to waste a lot of time. So I'm going to go to this option. You can try the other options, but this one is going to work. If you see it, is this. And once you go over here, please here's application. Now just click download here. Once you do that, another button is going to load, which is this option. Now just go here and click download. Once you click this for the second time, the application is going to start downloading. And if you're using TV Bro like me, you have the possibility to see the application downloading. So just go back to this download option here. And as you can see, here's the application downloading. CloudStream 452 is downloading. Now here's how it works. Once the application is done downloading, all you have to do is to click here once and it's going to ask you to install to your Android TV. There's no other complicated method after this. If your Android TV supports the application, it is going to go ahead and install without any issues. But if your Android TV system does not support the application, that's where you're going to face any issues. But nonetheless, this is how to download and install the application to Android TV without using downloader and neither without using the Play Store. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.